Welcome yet again to my channel. If this is your first time, this is me, Levin B, yo, the influencer. And guess what, guys? You guys are amazing. And today I wanted to do a tutorial because people came into my DM. They were like, hey B, how do you put on your wigs? Do you guys like this wig? What do you think about it? It's the same color like my skin tone and it has all these waves, but I like it when I do like a do, and my big Ugandan forehead is sort of like, you know, covered up a little bit. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to tell you what today's video is about. And today's video is a tutorial on how to apply fake lashes, and you're going to have a look that looks like this. Now, my friend Chanel always says that I know, but either way, they look cute. Yeah, they do look cute. And if you get a really good brand, you can use these ones that are Mink, or I have some others that are so thin and barely there. But for today's tutorial, I'm gonna go with the Mink lashes. They're inexpensive, and if you need them, you can hit my DM and I can send you a pack or two. And yeah, that's it. So the first person that sends me a comment and tells me they want this, I'm gonna give you a pair of Mink lashes so you can try them and let me know. So without wasting much of your time, I'll get straight into the video.
But everything I had, baby, told her.
So to begin with, we're going to be using some Mink lashes. They are super thick and inexpensive, so you can dispose them off if you need to, but they give you that dramatic look. So these are the ones that I'm going to show you for the demo for today. Now, before you begin, what you want to do, you want to apply some mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. The next step is for you to measure, and you see these have the longer side and the shorter side, and when they're on the pack you can easily tell this side is for the left eye and this side is for the right eye. So this one is for this side, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this on your eye and make sure you know where to chop them from, and then you're gonna chop them so they sit exactly on your eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. They all are uniform. So after doing that, you're gonna get your lash glue, and then you're gonna put this one is a duo eyelash adhesive. It's it looks like this, but there are very many. I have some Huda glue, but it has to be eyelash glue. Don't get the super glue. That one could easily irritate your eyes, so you need like this type of glue, and you're gonna apply some glue on the lash line. So we're gonna apply the glue here, and make sure the glue doesn't go into the hair. Okay, maybe 10 seconds, and then we're going to apply. So some people find it very easy to apply with their fingers, but I like to apply with the tweezers. It makes it so simple, so easy, and then all I have to do is just use the the fingers to make it right. So after that, I'm gonna get this. Unfortunately, I need a mirror, but I'm gonna try and make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna give it a few seconds, maybe 10. it for today, guys. See you again and bye.